How I got 24 mini pumpkin pies for $6. This is such a great idea to offer as a mini snack or a mini dessert at your next gathering. For only $5.99, Costco sells their legendary large 3-pound, 10-ounce pumpkin pies in the fall between early September through December. I had to pick one up, and they are huge. To cut the pie, I'll simply be using a round cookie cutter. I bought this cookie cutter set that I'll link below that comes in 6 different sizes. I'll be using the purple one, which is the second to the smallest size. The measurement of this one is 1.6 inch width by 1.5 inch high. And here's how I did the cutting. Now, to get as much slices as you can out of the pie, start towards the edge near the crust, but not too close, because as you see here, I wasn't able to cut through the bottom crust because I went too close to the edge where the slope of the pie forms. So I suggest placing the cutter about 1 inch away from the crust, where the bottom of the pie is flat. And you see here, it cut through the crust this time. And with the edge of a fork, press down the top of the sliced pie to release it from the cutter. And now you have a nice little perfectly round mini pie. And just repeat by cutting close to the next circle, about 1 inch away from the crust. So far, I have 15 slices and I have more space to make more. I'll keep going in the direction of a circle pattern as close as you can get to the next circle until you have no space left to cut. And voila! I was able to cut out 24 mini round pumpkin slices out of the 3.5-pound pumpkin pie. Now, if you want to top it off, add a little bit of whipped cream to the top of each slice just before you serve. The can of whipped cream was $3.50 at my local grocery store. So basically in total, I paid $9.50 and got 24 mini pumpkin pies with whipped cream. That equates to only 39 cents each. That's a deal. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy! And here's another idea I found that you can do with your leftover pumpkin pie.